Hey everyone, it's Joanne. I wanted to show you these stainless steel measuring cups that are one of the kitchen upgrades you didn't realize you needed until you use these once. You'll never go back. Now these are made of stainless steel. It gives them a solid weighted feel. They're not flimsy, there's no bending, there's no warping. It's just sturdy quality that feels like it lasts for years. They're etched with the measuring markings, so it's permanent and easy to read, even after multiple dishwasher runs. The magnetic handles are amazing. They snap together, so they're organized in the drawer, easy to find. You don't have to worry about missing a measuring cup when you're cooking. You no longer have to dig or hunt for the right size. And they have these nice, soft, non-slip handles that are comfortable in my hand, and they make leveling ingredients super simple and easy to control. Very nice. These measuring cups, they're durable. They are great design. They're super easy to clean, and they're really practical for everyday essential, but they make a fantastic gift. Once you try these, you'll wonder why all measuring cups aren't made this way. I love them.